Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we're going to review the account of Waldemar. Waldemar joined our funded trader program last September on the 4th and hit his first 10% target on the 3rd of December. Yes. So congratulations first of all, and let's now have a look at the equity line to see how the journey has been for him with us so far. So we can see how in the first month with us, he was basically holding the balance. We can see he went between a plus 1% to minus 1% on average. So yeah, he was holding the balance. And then from the 13th of October, we can see how it started to gain profits slowly. We can see here by the 20th of October it was up almost 3% on his account, and then by the end of October it was up almost 5%, and then here by the 18th of November it was up almost by 8% on his account. Then something happened, he went down again on 4%, plus 4%, but then towards the end of November he basically went just one way up to his first 10% target, and is keeping trading with us at the moment. And from what I can see here, is doing pretty well, is doing pretty fine. So let's have a look at the statistics. An average daily return of 0.15%, an average monthly return of 4.54%, with a drawdown. Let's have a look at here. That's really interesting. A drawdown of only 2.73%, a floating drawdown, of course, because we saw how he held the balance for the first month he joined our program, but then he went just one way up. So he never went after that in negative territory, and even when he was in negative territory, it was just by not even 2% below his initial account balance. So very well done. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics. That's interesting. Only 92 positions opened with a profitability rate of 79%. This is a very, very high winning rate. So very well done, Waldemar. And let's have a look at the average win and the average loss. So the average win is 11.45 pips and the average loss is 22 pips. But since he has a very outstanding winning rate, this is how he managed to be profitable. Let's have a look at the best trade and the worst trade he took. So on pip-wise and dollar-wise, they share the same date. So I believe it was, we're talking about the same trades here. So in terms of best trade, on the 15th of October, he gained $431 and 86 pips, while on his worst trade on the 20th of November, he lost $428 with a loss of 85 pips. But see, have a look at here. Both the best trade and the worst trade are both of them around 85, 86 pips. So no more than that. Very good. Okay, let's have a look at the summary. And we can see how on a total of 92 positions, 43 of those were on the euro pound. On the euro pound, he gained 263 pips, resulting in a profit of $1,238. Very well done. And we can see how good results were made also on his positions, on his 23 positions on the pound dollar. He gained 294 pips, resulting in a profit of $1,615. Very good, very well done. As consistent losses, maybe we can mention this here. 14 positions on the euro dollar, he lost 104 pips, and we can see minus $305. Okay, let's have a look at the history to check the lot size he used, and we can see here he joined on the 4th of September, and it was doing 0.2 as lot size in the beginning, and then by the end of September it started to go full lot. We can see we start to see 0.5. Let's have a look. Yeah, it kept going 0.5 since then. Yes, okay, so it started to go full lots, and here on the 9th of December is when he first hit the target, and now is of course trading at the moment his second account with us. He's managing a $30,000 account. Okay, Waldemar, very good, very well done, and we look forward to do the second review of your account.